Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Children, today I will teach you lesson 15, adjectives. What are adjectives? See, all describing words are called adjectives. Now you'll ask, what is describing? I'll tell you. Word in a sentence that tells something more about noun is adjective. Is a describing word and describing word is adjective. I'll give you the example. Suppose the sky is blue. Now, how is the sky? Here, blue qualifies the noun sky. So, blue is adjective, that is qualifying the noun sky. Follow. Now, open your book, page number 63. Here it is given one example. In spring, all the trees are full of green leaves. So, trees are full of what type of leaves? Green leaves. So, here green is adjective and leaves is a noun to which it is qualifying. Alright. Similarly, the lake is very deep. Now, how is the lake? Lake is deep. So, deep is the description of the noun lake. So, deep is adjective and noun is qualifying the noun lake. Clear? So, see, sometimes instead of noun, pronoun is there. And the adjective qualifies the pronoun also. For example, he has worked hard and is very tired. Who is very tired? Who is tired? He. So, he is pronoun and tired is adjective. It's a description, it's describing about he. So, he is pronoun, and it's tired is adjective. Another example is given here. The mountain is in Nepal. It is very high. Now, what is very high? High. Mountain is very high. So, the description of mountain is high. High is adjective, qualifying the noun mountain. Clear? Now, the names of colors are also used as adjectives. One example, I have already given you green leaves. Green is a color. So, one thing I would like to tell you, children, usually adjective is placed before noun. For example, little boy, pretty girl, blue sky, but it's not always. Sometimes it is in the end of the sentence also. The example I gave you, the lake is very deep. Now, deep is in the end. But usually, adjective is placed just before the noun to which it is qualifying. But it's not necessary. Remember that. Okay. Now, we'll do one exercise which is on page number 64. Open your book, page number 64. Pick out the adjectives and the nouns or pronouns they qualify. One has been done for you. I'll read the sentence and I'll tell you what are the adjectives and what are the nouns. Take out your pencil also. You will underline the nouns with one line and adjectives double line. And in the copy, we will do this exercise. How you have to do it, I'll send you the image. Follow. This exercise is to be done in the copy. I'll tell you in a different way and that will be very clear to you. So, let's start this exercise. First is already done. In spring, the trees are covered with green leaves. Now, here, adjective is green and it's qualifying the noun leaves, already given. Alright. Now, another sentence is, his shoes were muddy and his clothes wet. Now, what are the adjectives here? Muddy. You will draw two lines here. Muddy and wet. Now, qualifying muddy is qualifying shoes. So, draw one line under shoes, and wet is qualifying clothes. So, one line under clothes. Clear? His shoes are muddy and his clothes wet. Adjectives are muddy, wet, and noun, qualifying nouns are shoes, clothes. Right? Third sentence is, the bag was heavy and the little boy could not lift it. Now here, heavy is adjective which is qualifying bag. And another adjective is little, qualifying the noun boy. So the adjectives are heavy, little, and noun is bag and boy. How you have to do it? You will draw two lines under heavy and little and one line under bag and boy, so that it is clear that noun is underlined with one line and adjectives are underlined with double lines. Clear? Another sentence, number 4, the hungry tiger was looking for food. Here adjective is hungry, and just after hungry there is a noun tiger. It's qualifying the noun tiger. So adjective hungry and noun tiger. Clear? Now the fifth sentence is, Mary's lamb was white and woolly. How was the lamb? White and woolly. So adjective is white, woolly. Followed. And noun is lamb. Clear? Sixth sentence is, Alam was tired and thirsty after the long walk. Who was tired and thirsty? So tired is a description. Thirsty is also a description describing about Alam. So adjective is tired, thirsty, and long. And the nouns are Alam and walk. I repeat, adjectives tired, thirsty, long. Noun is Alam and walk. Clear? Now the seventh one, the terrible storm destroyed the houses. Now here, terrible is adjective and storm is noun. Clear? Terrible is describing, qualifying the noun storm. Eighth sentence is, a large crowd watched the exciting football match. Now here adjective is large and exciting. And large is qualifying the noun crowd and exciting is qualifying the noun football match. So the adjective is large, exciting, and nouns are crowd, football match. Followed? Now ninth one, the man was old but happy and cheerful. Clear it is. Adjectives are old, happy, cheerful. And all these qualities are of the man. So the man is noun and these are the adjectives. Crowd, old, happy and cheerful. So what you will write? Adjective, old, happy, cheerful, adjective, and noun is old. Man. Now the 10th sentence is, from the top of the high hill, you can see the whole city. From the top of the high hill. What type of hill? High. So adjective is high and whole. And the nouns, they are qualifying. High is qualifying hill and whole is qualifying city. So nouns are hill and city. So 11th sentence is, There was a big jug on the wooden table. Now the adjective is big and wooden, and the nouns which is that this is nouns, and the nouns to which the adjectives qualify are jug and table. I repeat again, adjectives are big, wooden, and nouns are jug, table. Alright. Now the 12th sentence is, in winter you have to wear warm clothes. कैसे कपड़े? Warm. So adjective is winter and noun is clothes. Here the adjective winter is qualifying the noun clothes. Clear? Number 13. The fresh snow on the ground glittered in the bright light of the sun. Now what are the adjectives here? Fresh and bright, which is qualifying snow and light. Clear? Adjective is fresh, bright, and nouns are snow and light. Clear? Number 14. Silvery fish were swimming in the clear blue water. Now here the adjectives are silvery, clear, blue, and nouns are fish and water. Alright. Number 15. The huge elephant put the tiny boy on its back. Here adjectives are huge and tiny, and nouns are elephant and boy. So this exercise we have done. In the next video I'll show you how to do in the book, but you have to do this exercise. I'll send you the image. You have to do it in the copy. And in the second video I'll tell you something more about adjectives. Okay, that's all. Then